Are you ready to put your English listening skills to the test? This quiz is a great way to practice your listening comprehension. Good luck! Hello and welcome to our podcast. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of gardening. Gardening is a popular hobby all around the world, and it has many benefits for both physical and mental health. First, gardening can help reduce stress and anxiety. Being outside in nature and working with your hands can have a calming effect on the mind and body. Second, gardening is a great form of exercise. Activities like digging, planting, and weeding can help improve strength, flexibility, and endurance. Additionally, gardening can also provide fresh, healthy produce for you and your family. Growing your own fruits and vegetables is not only satisfying but can also save you money. Finally, gardening can be a great way to connect with others. Joining a gardening club or volunteering at a community garden can help you meet new people and share your love of gardening with others.